Hello, welcome. I am Batman here. I am a design thinker. I am pursuing by first year biomedical engineering at SNS College of Technology. Now I am going to present by topic is about artificial intelligence in medical diagnosis. What is artificial intelligence? Use of computer to model intelligent behavior with a minimal human intervention. Machines, computers, programs are capable of problem solving and learning like a human brain, natural language processing, NLP and translation, pattern recognition, visual projection and decision making, learning, one of the most exciting areas for development of computational approach to automatically make sense of data. Advantages to machine can retain information, becomes smarter over time. Machine is not sustainable. Sleep deprivation, distraction, information overload and short time memory loss. Objective: the SIM methodology affecting us is hyper variable. Current practice guidelines the variability of experience in medicine. The transferability, the two-way outcome tracking suffers. This can lead to suboptimal handling of the disease. Patient outcome is unpredictable. Second Mantran proposes a knowledge-based initiative around medical ritualism to be utilized for co-creating machine learning derived AI in medicine. Innovation in medical and biological engineering, 1950s and early artificial kidney, X-ray, electrocardiogram, cardiac pacemaker, cardiopulmonary bypass, antibiotic production technology, defibrillator, 1960s heart valve replacement, intraocular lens, ultrasound, vascular grafts, blood analysis and processing, 1970s computer assisted tomography, artificial hip and knee replacement, balloon catheter, endoscopy, biology, plant food engineering, 1980s magnetic resonance imaging, laser surgery, vascular grafts, recombinant therapeutics, present day genomic sequences and microarrays, positron emission tomography, image guided surgery. New generations of medical technology products are combinations for different technologies which lead to the crossing of borders between traditional categories of medical products such as medical devices, pharmaceutical product or human tissues. Converging technology, biological science, nanotechnology, cognitive science, information technology, material science. High repetitive work empower doctors, help them deliver faster and more accurate, augment the professionals, offering them expertise and the assistance, replace personnel and staffing in medical facilities, particularly in administrative functions, managing wait times, automating schedule, deep learning devices will not replace clinicians. The application of artificial intelligence in medicine has two main branches: virtual branch, physical branch. Artificial intelligence in machine, the virtual branch. The virtual component is represented by machine learning, also called deep learning, mathematical algorithms that improve learning through experience. Three types of learning algorithms: unsupervised, ability to find patterns; supervised, classification and prediction algorithms based on previous examples, reinforcement learning, use of sequences of rewards and punishment to form a strategy for operation in a specific problem space. Benefits of artificial intelligence. AI can definitely assist physicians clinical decision making, better clinical decisions, replace human judgment in certain functions areas of healthcare. Example, radiology, up to date medical information from journal, textbooks, and clinical practice, experienced versus fresh clinician, 24 into 7 availability for expert early diagnosis, prediction of outcome of the disease as well as treatment, feedback on treatment, reinforce non-pharmacological management, reduce diagnosis and therapeutic errors, increased patient safety, and huge cost saving associated with use of AI. AI system extracts useful information from a large patient population. Assistant making real-time inference for health risk alert and health outcome prediction, learning and self-correcting abilities to improve its accuracy based on feedback. Artificial intelligence in medicine, the physical branch. It includes physical objects, medical devices, sophisticated robots for delivery of care, care bots, robots for surgery. Use of robots to deliver treatment, robotic surgery. Use of robots to monitor effectiveness of treatment. Growth drivers of AI in healthcare. Increasing individual healthcare expenses. Larger genetic population, imbalance between health workforce and patients, increasing global healthcare expenditure, continuous shortage of nursing and technician staff, number of vaccinations for nurses will be 1.2 million by 2020. AI is and will help medical practitioners efficiently achieve their task with minimum human intervention, a critical factor in meeting increasing patient demand. Potential challenges, development cost, integration issues, ethical issues, redundance among medical practitioners to adopt AI, fear of replacing humans, data privacy and security, mobile health application, future India scenario, collaboration between medicine and technical institution, stop working in silos, remove firewall of clinical load and hope of IPR, government funding more intelligent and result oriented rather than new PAT, iPad, scientific mafia or scientific mafia, current status of medical records, incommunicable silos of waste information for the health system and for knowledge acquisitions, laboratories and clinics needs to collaborate to accelerate the implemental of electronic health records. Data need to be captured in real time and the institution should be promote their transformation into intelligible process. New scientific and clinical finding should be shared through open source and aggregated data must be displayed for open access by physicians and scientists and made automatically available as point of care information. Introduction and interoperability, including ethical, legal, and logistical concerns in enormous simplification, readability, and clinical utility of datasets. Each result must be questioned for its clinical applicability, aim of increasing their clinical value and decreasing health costs. Electronic medical or health records are essential tools for personalized medicine, early detection and targeted prevention again. Thanking you.